I'm Lupe here with Porsche Colorado Springs. Here is the 2020 GT4 you had inquired about. I just wanted to confirm that it's here, it's available, and I'm going to be helping you. The inside of this, we have the carbon fiber seats, manual transmission. It's currently sitting at 35,083 miles as it sits right now. There is clear mask on the front end, full bumper, full hood, full fenders. There are a couple little blemishes on that though. Look at that. It's not in perfect condition. It looks like the clear mask has done its job. License plate bracket offset. It's on the tow hook on there, so no holes were drilled into bumper. That's nice to see. Going along this side, I see that it's got the AP Racing brake system that's been installed on that. That's part of the reason why we can't CPO it. Looking back here at this section, this appears to be a little bit faded just from your normal driving. This has PPF, paint protective film, on the entire rocker panel all the way until there. That's great to see. Our service team just did a major service on that, bringing it up to date. Got fresh tires on there along the back. Look at this. This appears to be in pretty good condition. Along the inside, let's have a closer look. This does have a partial roll cage in the back. We do have a 5-point harness that is with looks like Schroth Racing, and these show, let's see, not valid after 2026. Let's see, I don't see the date on that. Let's look at this one. Yeah, I don't see the date on those. So it looks like you got till the rest of the year and those won't be valid anymore. So driver door panel, black leather, carbon fiber. We got the stitching that goes across the entire inside. That looks really nice. I love the seat centers on this. Quite a nice touch on that. Manual transmission to make it all the more fun on this. Looking here at the center, you got a button for your sport exhaust, auto blip, fire extinguisher over there. I hope this video helps. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or would like to know more about this car. My cell phone number is 719-761-7550. Bye-bye.